Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to bold text on Facebook posts. So let's start. I'm here on Facebook. I will write a post. For example, I will write, "Hello, how are you?" And then if I want to delete it, just select all the text and then just cut it. And then let's go to Google Chrome. Here on Google Chrome, just write a Lingo bold text like this one, this page, and now just paste the text. For example, select everything and then paste it and then enter, and here appears the bold text. You will select whatever you prefer. For example, I wanted this, and I will select everything and then just cut. Then let's go to Facebook. Here on Facebook, just paste your text and then just post. In that way, you will post a text on Facebook in bold way. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.